Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're shining a spotlight on the much-anticipated 2025 Dacia Sandero. What can we expect from this budget-friendly hatchback? Let's dig into the details. First off, what makes the 2025 Dacia Sandero a compelling choice for drivers? Known for its affordability and practicality, this model continues to capture attention. But how does it balance cost with features? That's what we're here to find out. Now, let's get into performance. What engines are available? The Sandero is expected to offer a variety of efficient powertrains, including a robust petrol option. But how does it perform on the road? With its agile handling and compact size, will it make city driving a breeze? Next up, let's talk tech. What features can we expect in the 2025 model? From a user-friendly infotainment system to essential safety tech. How will these innovations improve your driving experience? We'll explore what sets this hatchback apart in its class. Comfort matters, especially on longer drives. How does the Sandero deliver a cozy experience? With spacious seating and quality materials, can it compete with more expensive rivals? Let's check out the design and layout that promise a comfortable ride. Finally, when will you be able to get your hands on the 2025 Dacia Sandero? It's set to hit showrooms in early 2025. What about pricing? Expected to remain budget-friendly, will it continue to offer exceptional value for money? What do you think about the upcoming 2025 Dacia Sandero? Is it the right choice for budget-conscious drivers? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on affordable cars. Until next time, happy driving.